Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix black screen on Roblox. So if you're getting a black screen on Roblox, and how can you fix it? So I'll give you a permanent solution to this. So first of all, you have to click on this. Uh, Let me go back. So first of all, you have to click on this create tab. It will take you to the dashboard hub, and now you just need to click on dashboard. Now it will open all the experiences on your device or on your Roblox account. So just open the your default experience, which is by your username. Click on it, and now you just need to click on this view on Roblox. So it will open on a new page, and you have to play this game. Just click on this and click on to play this game. So on mobile, it's a very similar steps. You just need to enable the desktop mode to access this dashboard on browser. Now once you open the game here, so once you open the game here, to fix black screen, you just need to click on this Roblox icon here at the top left, and now you just need to go to in settings. Now you have to scroll down, and now you just need to be on this thing. Where is that? Yeah, this reduce motion. So you have to keep this option in on. Keep this option on, so basically it stop or reduce the motion effect. So usually the black screen can be due to the motion effect, so you can turn this on to reduce it. So once you enable it, now you can after doing this step, you just have to be not worry about the black screen. It will be disappear for completely. It will disappear completely. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.